Well, it's a beautiful day here in western Ukraine. Sun's out. Going down to the house, check out the progress. Hey, there's Rosa. Say hi to Rosa. She's in a video. Yeah, so let's go check the progress on the house. Trees are turning colors. It's beautiful. Andre's killing it on that tractor. I think it's like 65 years old, but he's a genius. He fixes that stuff, no problem. And yeah, he's doing a great job. Well, hello everyone. It's mid-October here in western Ukraine. Beautiful day out, just working on the house. Just thought I'd give you guys an update, what's going on. Check this out. We got our fireplace. So this fireplace for inside the house is wood burning. This fireplace, it'll circulate water and that'll run to our radiator that's going to be upstairs to heat our loft bedroom. And I love it. It's beautiful. You can cook on top. Also, it has an oven. It's going to be awesome. So right now we're just seasoning it because it's brand new. We just got it in 2 days ago. And we're just, doing a fire outside to get all that smell of the paint and stuff like that, from being brand new and stuff like that. But yeah, got a fire rocking. All right, let's go inside so you can see what's been happening. There's been a decent amount of work being done. Everything moves a little bit slower over here, getting stuff. We live up on a mountain, so it's hard to get people to deliver material, but, somehow we all get it done with the thanks to my brother-in-law. But, yeah, all the flooring is in, the framing, and I started on the electrical, so got a lot of that done. Right now, I'm just installing the pot lights, so I just wanted pot lights everywhere. As you can see, like some of the tongue and groove ceiling has been installed. This opening, that's where the stairs are going to be. So, yeah, I'm just going to bang on all these pot lights today. Next step will be to put plyboard down and then some 22 centimeter hardwood flooring. All wood, man. It's going to look beautiful. Over here in the kitchen, I got the countertop plugs, the home runs, because the panel is an outside panel, so that's where that's going to go. The stove, fridge over there, dishwasher, kitchen sink. All the plumbing's in, too. Bathroom's coming along. I got to finish running some cables in some PVC conduits. Because they're going to pour cement so we can put tile on all this stuff. Up on this wall is going to be the on-demand water heater, and then the washer dryer combo unit. Kitchen sink, that'll be the nice bear claw tub for Rosa. And that'll be the toilet over there. 3 pot lights, that should do her in here. Also, here's one of the 2 bedrooms. Got the pot lights installed here. They look awesome when they're on. And yeah, right down here I got a piece of plyboard so I can walk, but I don't know, maybe you can see, get down there. They framed it out and they're going to pour the cement tomorrow. And that's going to be a little cellar, you know, for all our pickled goods and, you know, whatever that needs cold storage. That's how they do it in Ukraine. Actually, I'm going to climb up this ladder, give you a shot so you can get a feel how big it's going to be upstairs. Oh, we got some insulation there. So right here, there's going to be, I got some wires run for the pot lights. There's going to be a plyboard on top of this, and then again, like the 22 centimeter hardwood flooring. All this insulation's in the way, but there's 2 sides. It's going to be huge. It's going to be our loft bedroom. And of course, we'll have that tongue and groove wood and insulation up there and a few pot lights after that's installed. But yeah, I mean, it's going to be huge up here. It's going to be awesome. I can hardly wait, man. Hey, everyone. So, got all the pot lights installed. It's only about an hour and a half later. Didn't really take me that long. I did check them out with an extension cord. They all work awesome. The real test will be at nighttime when it's dark, but they're pretty bright. I think it's going to be great. I got 4 in each bedroom. 4 pot lights in each bedroom. 6 in the living room here. 5 in the kitchen. Got 3 in the bathroom. And then another 4 in this bedroom. There'll be like 5 upstairs, and then I'm going to put them, I think, let me see, 8, 9, 17 are going to be going around the fascia of the house, so that's going to look awesome at night. Anyways, it's a beautiful day, and I think I'm done for the day. Sunday fun day.